The pieces were picked very carefully. They had to be strong, durable, compatible with all the other pieces. And when they were assembled very carefully. Because each part has to work perfectly. Or the goal of this engine, which was to produce 12 million horsepower, wouldn't be achieved. In fact, if one piece failed or didn't do its part, you'd get 0 horsepower. And in some cases on the test stand, 0 horsepower and an explosion. And so your teams might want to follow what we do for exploration teams. We gather the people very carefully first when we can. At NASA, people want to join our grand cause. Anytime you can band together people with a passion for what you're doing, when they work together, they know the result is this greater good. And so we get a lot of people who apply to NASA. We can down select based on technical skills, but since we're in a tough business, we're going to down select the rest of the way on soft skills. They make the difference these days. It's the soft skills. We're looking for people who be great teammates. They're great communicators. They're incredibly sharp and smart, but they're humble about it. They leave their ego behind. We don't have any place in the cockpit for someone with a big ego in this dangerous environment. And once we have them, we assemble them like we do for the engine very carefully. Each person knows their role, owns their role, and when they perform the role, they know that it's helping us reach the greater goal. They know it's to send 7 of their friends into space and bring them back safely. They know that.